everyone, and welcome to At Home with Camella. My name is Nikki Viola, and right now we're here in front of Freya, a house that is perfect for expanding families. Yes po. So with a floor area of 142 square meters and with a lot area naman of 121 square meters. Talagang for sure na saktong-sakto sa isang malaking pamilya ang tahanan na ito. If you are curious about what's inside, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Wow! Alright, so, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, ang bubungad sa inyo whenever you enter Freya is this cozy living room right here. As you can see, my space right here, it's a very wide, magiging very comfortable yung inyong mga bisita or yung mga kapamilya ninyong gusto kayong bisitahin dito sa inyong new home. May isa pang talagang malawak or spacious sa ground floor natin, which is our dining area. For sure, everyone can relate. The dining area is one of the most favorite parts ng ating mga tahanan sa bawat pamilya dahil dito nagkakagather lahat, dito kumakain. So, you want your dining area to be extra beautiful, extra special. We have this view right here na nakakatulong to have a natural light. And talaga namang ma-enjoy ninyo ang dinner ninyo with your family. And if you want to make chika or if you want to make tambay after dinner, the vibe is really, really perfect dito sa ating dining area. And I am excited for this part because we're in the kitchen. Ayan, when you hear the word kitchen, syempre, parang ang daming pumapasok sa isip nyo, di ba? Food, cookout, bonding, and all that. Lahat ng yan ay magagawa nyo through this very spacious kitchen dito sa Freya. So as you can see, di ba, the one I'm holding, it's really, really spacious. You can put on anything that you like, whether it's your cooking materials or yung ingredients natin, you can put it right here. And of course, we have our very own, let's say, extra countertop or mini bar as well. So I think you can see right here, my collection of wine. You can put it right there if you have your own collection of liquor. And of course, ayan, talagang oven-friendly din. We have a space for ovens right here and more space coming right at ya. So you can explore your inner cook in this kitchen because you can actually do everything. It's really, really big. It's really spacious, and it will be more and more comfortable for you whenever you cook or whenever you prepare your food for your loved ones, diba? Sobrang perfect talagang ako. Kung pwede lang tumira sa kusina, diba? Why not? Alright, so now let's move on to this room. Ayan, so if you have people who makes your life easier in maintaining your home, this is the perfect space for them so they can have their own quiet time or they can rest during the day, diba? And also, if wala naman kayong mga tao na nakakatulong din sa inyong mga tahanan, pwede nyo itong gawing storage room. So, itong space na to, matutulungan naman din kayo to organize your home and to organize your stuff as well. Alright? And now we have our spare room right here. Ayan, as you can see, another spacious room for your family or for even your friends na biglaan kayong sinurprise pumunta dito. So if they want to stay here, we have our room right here just for them. Or also, if you have your lolos and lolas who's staying with you, this is the perfect room for them para hindi na hassle sa kanila going up. Ayan. So, of course, we have our spare room right here. Ayan, napakaganda and talagang napaka-spacious para sa ating tahanan. Now, let's move forward with more of our features. And now we're nearing towards the end of our tour dito sa ating ground floor ng Freya. But we have one more feature left na ipapakita sa inyo, which is our toilet or bathroom right here downstairs. Ayan, this is perfect for our visitors para syempre hindi na tayo magpapaakyat ng mga bisita natin, or for someone who's staying here sa spare room, this is the washroom for them. Ayan, para ma-maintain natin yung privacy ng ating mga bedrooms upstairs. Para pang family lang talaga yon, di ba? Alright, so now we're done with our ground floor. As you can see, a perfect layout, perfect interiors, and this is all made possible by All Home. And we have great news for you because one of the perks of being a Camella homeowner is that you get to avail the free interior styling consultation and discounted packages from All Home, because All Home is your one-stop shop for your home furnishing and renovation needs. So you can shop at any All Home branch located nationwide, or you can also check out their website at www.allhome.com.ph. Alright, so keep that in mind, and let's now move on to the second floor. Let's go! And now we are finally here at Freya's second floor, which I'm sure all of you are excited to explore with me as well. So we have cool features right here na mamaya ninyo makikita. But now, let's start off with our rooms. So let's go. And now we have our first room right here, which as you can see, perfect sa inyong mga anak na babae, diba? With all the pink features, even the bed and all that stuff that's in here. And if you want to have some quality time for yourself, for all the baby girls out there, you can just put on some music and then you can just stare at the view. Also, we have our cabinet right here where you can put all of your stuff, and shelf dito naman sa side na to for all of your books or collectibles. Ayan, it's really up to you. And what I like about this is they have a connecting bathroom. Yes, meron din kasing connecting room for this space, which is perfect naman sa inyong mga kapatid. So, for example, lalaki ang kapatid ninyo, we have our bed right here with a great view as well. And ito namang cabinet niya, may full body mirror din. So, you can check out your OOTDs. Yan, bago kayo umalis. This is perfect. Alright? So, ngayon po ay talagang na-tour na natin or na-discover na natin itong connecting rooms na to. And what's great about it, this is perfect for siblings, sa magkakapatid sa inyong pamilya. Alright? So now, we've showed you our first two rooms and we've got one more room to go. So let's check it out. And now, let's move on to our master's bedroom, which is right here. So I'm gonna tour you as well. So, of course, we have the space right here. So, ayan, of course, with this design, nilagyan nila ng mirror, but to you, pwede nyo lagyan ng TV or cabinet or whatever on this side. And, of course, you have a beautiful view then from outside through this window. So, this is a very good space, ayan, para sa ating mga parents. And another good feature of our master's bedroom is our very own master's bathroom. Ayan, syempre may sariling bathroom yung ating mga parentals, ayan, dito sa kanilang kwarto, which is, syempre, talagang standard, talagang kailangan ng ating mga magulang. Alright, so we have it right here. Of course, we have like a mini cabinet right here as well. Okay, so, of course, we have lots of great rooms dito sa Freya, but let's move on to family area. Ayan. I'll take my time to enjoy this space. As you should do, syempre pag kinuha nyo to Freya, of course, with this family area, it is called family area dahil para nga po ito sa inyong pamilya. So, we have this couch right here na kung gusto nyo, pwede kayong magsama-sama sa couch na to and pwede kayong mag-Netflix and chill with the TV right here. Or kung hindi nyo ito gagawin family area, you can do this like a study space naman para sa inyong mga anak. Or also, if you want a safe corner or pang me time ninyo, you can also use this space, ayan, for some quiet time. You could put on some candles, or pwede rin siyang passion corner. And if you're into art, you can put your paintings right here. The family area is really, really perfect for that. O, diba? Sobrang ganda ng features dito sa ating Freya, dito sa second floor natin. But, hindi pa po kami dyan nagtatapos dahil meron pa kaming isang feature na ipapakita sa inyo. And now, we'll move on to, last but not least, we have our balcony. Ayan. Ako talagang excited ako to explore this part kasi ako dream ko rin magka-balcony sa bahay namin. So, syempre binigay ni Camella Homes yung ganong klaseng dreams sa lahat ng mga viewers natin. So, we have our own balcony right here where you can entertain your friends over drinks, or you can also do a barbecue party for this space. Ayan, napakalaki ng espasyo para sa lahat. Ayan, sabi nga nila, the more the merrier. Or also, pwede rin, especially ang dami nating plantitos and plantitas dyan. Pwede kayong maghilera ng inyong mga plants kasi sobrang pasok na pasok yung araw dito sa space na to. So talagang we'll make sure na talagang maaalagaan yung ating mga halaman. Ayan, pwede niyong ihilera sila dyan, no? Diba? Napakalaki ng space natin. So, with our balcony here on our second floor, marami kayong pwedeng magawa, diba? All for relaxing at syempre sa kasiyahan ng inyong pamilya. Alright? So, of course, our Freya home brings joy to all of our Camella homeowners. And alam ko rin na you can't wait to experience it as well. Apart from offering beautiful homes, Camella also provides its homeowners a wide range of amenities that would suit their needs and lifestyle. Keep your family safe and secured, and have peace of mind with the presence of 24/7 security within Camella's gated communities. Share precious moments with your loved ones at Camella's family-friendly amenities such as the clubhouse, basketball courts, playgrounds, and swimming pools. With its excellent location, every Camella community makes life convenient for its residents, as all the things you'll need is always be within your reach. Enjoy all these and live the life you've always dreamed of only at Camella. And that's it for our house tour. Ayan, sana po ay nag-enjoy po kayo, and we hope that we were able to make you feel at home dito sa Camella Homes. Ayan, to know more about our Freya home and the other homes that we have dito sa Camella, all you have to do is check out our website. That's www.camella.com.ph, or you can follow us on our social media accounts. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.